Hello, this is Els from IMF and EDB Computer Networking. Yes, IMF, trusted MSP and marketing firm. And we are also EDB Computer Networking. We supply everything marketing and computer repair for a low price of $79. Other than that, we have a promotion today for business marketing, which you get 2 weeks. You hear free 2 weeks. And also, if you need IT support, we supply that too. Not a problem. We are here for you. Computer problems, any problems, screen, data recovery, virus repair, malware, any of that. We also are well rounded. Mac, PC, laptop, repair, and upgrades. It's all IT USB. We are there to fix it for you. We're professional service for home and office. And we also provide networking. We can network all your computers with no problem. Here is a very good example of networking. The world is basically a huge network, global. We help maintain that for you. With our computer repair service, we provide so many things for you, and we're reliable. You'll never not hear the phone pick up. Never. We are a face-to-face computer and internet marketing firm. We also provide fiber and networking. Find us on Facebook. Never let you down. Not large, but a strong marketing firm to provide SEO, digital marketing, and target marketing. We can complete any of your business needs. We also like to have humor in our marketing. For example, humor brings more customers through the door. Marketing brings more customers to the door. We provide those essential needs. We try to make it so cost effective that you don't even mind paying for marketing or computer repair. So like us on social media, we will target every aspect of marketing that we can provide for you that's in today's world. And we're going to give you quality service. Try us out today. 561 202 7001.